be teaching you Mathematics 1 and Chapter 5 Probability, and topic will be probability of an event. Now we take an example, four balls in a bag. Four balls in a bag. Three of them is white and fourth is black. Now you are getting a ball in random without seeing it, then obviously this is possibility you are getting a ball in white is more. So mathematically language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called a probability. And it is expressed, this probability, it is expressed as a fraction or a percentage. Now for a random experiment, you know sample space denoted by S, and A is expected event, then probability of A, so it is denoted by P of A. Now event B, so it is denoted by P of B, and event C, it is denoted by P of C. So we're getting a formula, probability of an event P of A is equal to number of sample space, number of sample point in event A. Number of sample point in event A divided by number of sample point in sample space. So number of sample point in event is denoted by number of A, and number of sample point in sample space denoted by number of S. Now we are getting formula, probability of event A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. Similarly, the event of B, probability of event B is equal to number of B divided by number of S. So we solve this practice set 554. We are going to solve practice set 5.4. Question number 1. Two coins are tossed. Find the probability of the following event. First event, getting at least one head, and second event, getting no head. This is the first example. Now solution. Two coins are tossed. This is the random experiment. Now first write sample space, and sample space denoted by S in set. Two coins are tossed. We get sample space S, and in set sample point there is HH, PH, HT and TT. So total sample point number of S is equal to 4. You know these two coins are tossed, their sample point. One coins are tossed, their sample point. Then write the number of S is equal to 4. Then write event. What is event? Getting at least one head. Getting at least one head. So event A, getting at least one head. Getting at least one head. So there, here is one head, here is one head, here is one head. There is no head. So event A in curly bracket HH, PH and HT. The total sample point in event A, there is number of A is equal to 3. So event A, there is finding probability in event A. So write in formula. Probability of event A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. So here number of A 3 and number of S here 4. So probability of event we get 3 upon 4. This is the answer in event A. Then second point, getting no head. Event B, getting no head. So second event B, getting no head. So this event B, getting no head, only tail. So event B in curly bracket here, only tail, no head. Here head, here is head, here is head. So here is no head. So sample point PT and number of event B, there is 1. Sample point 1. Then we find probability of event B. There is formula, number of sample point in event B divided by number of sample point in sample space. So number of B, there is event B, there is point will be 1 and number of sample point in sample space here is 4. So answer will be number of event B, probability of event B, there is 1 upon 4. This is the answer. So event A, answer will be event A, probability of event A 3 upon 4 and event B getting no head, there is event probability of event B equal to 1 upon 4. This is the answer. Now we are solved question number 2. Write this solution or a screenshot. Number 2. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously and find the probability of the following event. You know that 2 dice are rolling simultaneously, their sample space, number of sample point. So write down solution. Right. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. So first we write sample point in sample space, set denoted by S and sample point. So here is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6, then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 4, 5 5 and 5 6, then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. This random experiment, two dice are rolled simultaneously. There is number of sample point. The number of S is equal to 36. So this is the two dice are rolled in simultaneously. S is equal to, there are sample point, number of S is equal to 36. Now we first event, the sum of digit on the upper faces at least 10. Sum of the digit on the upper face is at least 10. So find out the sample point. There is sum of digit. Sum of digit on the upper faces at least 10. So first event, write in A. Event A. Sum of the digit on the upper faces at least 10. So find out at least sum in digit. Sum of the digit on the upper faces at least 10. So here is 10, no, here is 10, no, here is, no, here is 4, 6. Then 5, 5. Then 5, 6. Then 6, 4. Then 6, 5. And 6, 6. There is total number of event in sample point. There is total number of event A. Total number of sample point in event A, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6. Then find out the probability of event A. So formula will, P of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. So number of A 6 and number of S 36. Number of A means number of sample point in event A, and number of S means the number of sample point in sample space. So number of point in sample point in event A 6, and number of sample point in sample space there is 36. Now divide 6 1s are 6 and 6 6s are 36. So probability of event A, this is the answer, 1 upon 6. Then event B, the sum of the digit on the upper faces is 33. This digit, there is sum will be 33. This is not possible. So event B, the sum of the digit on the upper faces is 33. So B, no any point. This is 5. So number of B 0. आपण हा रिकामाच लिहूया, म्हणजे empty. So there is 0. Probability of event B. Probability of event B is equal to number of sample point in event B divided by number of sample point in sample space. So number of point in event B, there is 0, and number of sample point in sample space, there is 36. So answer will be 0. Means probability of event B, there is answer will be 0. Then third event, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. There is the digit on the first die is greater. digit on the first die is greater than the second die. So first die there is number will be larger than the second die. So find out this 36 sample point. The digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. So event C. Event C, that the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Now find out. So third event, event C. Write down in curly bracket. So larger number in first die than the second die. So here is larger number, second die. Here is no, here is no, here is no, here is no, here is first die is smaller number, greater than the second die. Second die, first die 1, second die 6. So digit on the first die is greater, not here. Then 2, 1. This is the digit on the first die is greater than the second die. So first 2, 1. Then 2, 2, no. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, no. It is 3, 1. Then 3, 1. And 3, 2. Here is 3, 2. There is first die will be greater number. Then no here. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. There is first die will be greater number. Then here is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. This is the first die will be greater number. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3 and 6, 4 and 6, 5. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 5 only. Now count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is total number of event C. Number of C is equal to 15. So find out the probability of event C. Event C. There is probability of event C is equal to number of C divided by number of S. Means probability of event C is equal to number of sample point in event C divided by number of sample point in sample space. So number of C is equal to 15 and number of S is equal to 36. Then divide this number. 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. So probability of event C, answer will be get 5 upon 20. Now you solve this practice set 5.4 and thank you.